Hello guys, it's a review for the last trading week of the month of August 24 to 28. Guys, I especially welcome you to Heartfelt Forex Academy. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow us, share the videos, help us grow the channel, drop your question when necessary. And if you want to join our free Telegram, you can check the description, the YouTube description, and you will get the details on how to the link to join our free Telegram. All right. So, guys, what we have for this week, don't forget, if you are joining us for the first time, uh, the video is all about the bias for the week that should give us a maximum of 50 pips either on Euro USD or GBP USD. Sometimes we have this setup once in a month, twice in a month. It can happen 3 times in a month. It can also happen 4 times in a month. All right. So whichever way, you can be consistent if you follow it up. So when we talk about a bias, we don't mean you buying all through the week or selling all through the week. All right. So for this new trading incoming week, we want to go the heartfelt bias on Euro USD and GBP USD. We want to go bullish. All right. We want to go bullish. But you can see here, though the last week closed strong, was a strong bullish. All right, let me come from DXY, was a strong bearish on DXY. We still want to go bearish, but there are two conditions to it. Watch this out. There's an FVG here, and price has closed the FVG. All right, has rebalanced this. All right, so there are two things that might likely happen. So price might open and keep buying on DXY before a drop. All right, or price can come and take off the low and close inside of the week. All right, then probably the next the early after our early September, we can keep on pushing to the upside. So one has to be very, very careful, but they have to stay patient, as I will show you probably the areas we might anticipate those reactions. All right, so there are two things to note here. There's an FVG, price has rebalanced this level here, so price can as well open, take off the low and push to the upside, or start pushing to the upside and probably close bullish to continue probably the next upper week. All right, yes, why? So on Euro USD, we still want to anticipate a bullish move for 50 pips. You know how we do it. You wait for an SMT between Euro USD or GBP USD. It could be a previous day low taken, and there's a failure swing on one of the pair. Then you can anticipate another type of SMT, which is sectional SMT. All right, I taught that in the previous video. You can also go check them out. So on Euro USD, we'll see for the heartfelt. That doesn't mean you buy all through, because price is at a key level, very strong. All right, a key level. So we want to buy on heartfelt buyers. So I can also sell when I see the setup, because I'm already on the sell. So price can also open and start selling to this level which we marked before. Check our review. I showed that to you. We can retrace down to 50 pips of this bullish candle before it push up to the upside. All right, so that is on Euro USD. Then on GBP USD, price has also taken off this level here, very key, very important level here, has taken it off. So price can also open and either take the up again and start dropping, or open and drop down to what, to 50% of what, of this bullish candle. You know how we do it. We can also sell to buy or buy to sell. So but the heartfelt for 50 pips, we are hunting for 50 pips for the heartfelt buyers. Now the reasons why I am careful in this area is because we are entering the last week. We're already in the last week of the month. All right, the last week of the month. Don't forget, the first week is accumulation, second week is manipulation, third week is continuation. Then the fourth week, what do we do? Price need to breathe. All right, price need to breathe and close inside, and close inside. So we're going to be having probably a better sell than a buy. But since we are anticipating the 50 pips, don't be scared. Once the price hits about 30 pips, close your entry. All right, close your entry. If the setup presents what itself, if the setup presents itself. So let's show you again on let's go to H1 and show you what we might be anticipating also. Now, so yes, you can see this on H1 time frame on Euro USD. So take note of this level I just marked. Price can, open and push to this level and probably drop down, taking this low again and probably get to this level before, a bullish setup can be initiated. All right. But if it also invalidates this level, no problem. This turtle soup area is the point of validation, so no problem. But whether if you are trading on a sell, you can sell from this level, but don't put in mind we are also going bullish. That is our heartfelt bias for the week. Go for bullish. If the setup is not there, no problem. You can trade other strategy when necessary. So guys, let's meet on weekend and we'll do a review on what price might be doing. Drop your question and please subscribe to this channel. I wish you good luck and good trading. Bye.